What up?
What's going on, Big Money?
How are you?
That thing's huge. It is way bigger than what I thought it was.
The guy just had it sitting in the backyard.
You gonna show us how it works? So it opens up from both sides. It has the dual hinges. $45. I mean, you can't beat it. But he probably didn't know that he could have got $200 for it. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's like it was gonna break. Oh, that's a whole lot of room. Oh my goodness. I could probably climb up in there and we could close it. I wonder if a wheel was probably. All right, so we got the roof rack off. IO was off. And this joker is bigger than what I thought, which is good because I probably could fit 2 wheels in here. But yeah, suitcases, beach chairs, beach umbrellas, wet towels, all sorts of stuff is gonna live in here because we're going to the beach this weekend, and instead of driving this 23-gallon 18 miles per gallon truck, we're gonna take the Mazda, throw this on top, and worst case scenario, probably get 28 miles to the gallon. $45, deal of the century. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my gutter mount roof bars installed on the car. Let me get the cargo box cleaned up. I'm gonna take some of this Goo Gone. It's a couple of spots that have like this sticky residue. So I'm gonna try to get some of these spots cleared up, and then we're gonna take this 303 multi-surface cleaner, and then after that we're gonna take this 303 aerospace protectant. We're gonna let that sit there and dry for about 5 minutes or so, and then we're gonna hit it with the 303 protectant, which will hopefully bring back some of the shine. Alright, so I'm actually very surprised at how well that it actually cleaned up. I didn't think it was gonna bring this much little shine back. It is a little splotchy, but for $45 and about 15 minutes of cleaning up on it, who am I to complain? So it is a little dark outside, and this thing is awkward as hell, but I'm gonna try to manhandle it up on the car. Alright, so that wasn't that bad. So I got it up here on the car. So now I just need to get the hooks latched on. Alright, so let's check it out, what it looks like in the daylight. It cleaned up pretty good with the 303. Like I said, it's bigger than what I wanted, but for going on a road trip, you know, function over form. We are about to go on a little trip, see how it does, see how it feels. So you hear this? This is just about regular wind noise, and it's with the sunroof cover closed. But if I open the sunroof cover, you can hear a little bit more of the wind noise. But as you can verify, the roof box is up there. So I will check back in when I get to work on what the average miles per gallon is that we got with the roof box on the car. Alright, just got to work. This thing is at 38.2 average. I don't know about that, so I'm going to redo this test when I leave work this afternoon. I had a meeting on my drive home, so I didn't reset the average MPG, and I'm sitting at 32. So if I can average 30 or anywhere around 30 miles per gallon with this box on top, that's gonna be awesome. So I'll check in and I'll give you the results on our way and coming back from Myrtle Beach. All right, we are back home, and I want to say the average was like 27, something like that. Yeah, so 27.8 coming home. I was averaging about 80, 85 coming back, but I'll take 28, 27, 28 miles per gallon in the 6 and save my money on gas. So overall, I recommend a cargo box for your Mazda 6 or any full-size sedan if you need a temporary solution to add more space for every now and again. The only downside is this joker takes up a lot of space, so if you're trying to store it, you make sure you got ample storage, because I'm sure that's why this one was $45, because the guy selling it was probably tired of moving it around and getting it out of his way. Until the next time, think, build, enjoy. Peace.